Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect your business from tax scams and fraudulent schemes, follow these step-by-step instructions to identify and avoid common threats. Step 1. Recognize red flags in suspicious communications. The IRS initiates most contact through mail, not phone calls, emails, or text messages demanding immediate payment. Step 2. Verify any IRS communication by calling the agency directly using the official number from irs.gov, not any number provided in the suspicious message. Step 3. Be wary of phishing emails claiming to be from the IRS or tax preparation companies. Never click links or download attachments from unexpected tax-related emails. Step 4. Watch for fake tax preparers promising unusually large refunds or charging fees based on refund size. Verify preparer credentials using the IRS directory of federal tax return preparers. Step 5. Protect your business information. Never give out your EIN, bank account details, or passwords to unsolicited callers, even if they claim to be from the IRS. Step 6. Be skeptical of offers to reduce your tax debt for pennies on the dollar without reviewing your financial situation. Legitimate offer and compromise programs have specific requirements. Step 7. Secure your computer systems with up-to-date antivirus software, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication to prevent data breaches. Step 8. Report suspected scams to the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration and the IRS. Stay informed about current scams through IRS announcements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.